Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And today I have just received this parcel from the Postnord, and this is from Azure User Group Sweden. So we will unbox it with you. All right, so let's see what we have inside. Yeah. And there you go. Finally, the box is, yes. So yeah, the box is open now, and there you go. So yeah, so this is the box, guys. I think I have opened it upside down, but yeah, anyways, I think at least we are in. So yeah, first thing, some nice Azure User Group Sweden stickers. That's good, really nice. And then I have a mouse pad. I don't use a mouse pad, so this will be a good addition in my table. Yeah, perfect, cool. And yeah, let's see what we have next. And yeah, this is just some paper for the box for packing. And we have, oh, so this is this note, handwritten note from Joanna and Hacken. Thank you so much. So it says, thank you for being part of our community at Azure User Group Sweden. We are happy to see you learn with us. Congratulations for winning our Christmas giveaway. Have an awesome year ahead. For the community, by the community. And then the signed by Jana and Hacken. So thank you so much, Jana and Hacken, and thank you so much for the Christmas giveaway. All right, so let's unbox this this small box now. Oh, and we have this Azure sticker as well, so probably I can use it with any one of my PCs. Yeah, all right, so that's pretty much it in the box. Yeah, so I will keep the box aside now, and I will try to see what do we have inside this small box. Okay, and we have, oh, so this is a mug. Okay, cool. And yay, so this is like really cool mug for the community, by the community, and it says Azure User Group Sweden. Awesome. So yeah, guys, this is all I have in the box. So thank you so much for the Christmas giveaway, Jana, and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for this giveaway. I love this cup. It's really nice. Thank you, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.